Hi, welcome to this session. Today we will discuss about some of the important logical expression. First of all, we discuss about positive logic. Positive logic expression. In positive logic expression, the logic 0 represent by 0 voltage or lower voltage. Logic 1 represent by 5 volt or higher voltage. Similarly, for negative logic representation, logic 0 represent as 5 volt or higher voltage. Logic 1 represent as 0 voltage or lower voltage. Now we will go for dual expression. Dual expression of logic function. Dual expression of logic function. The dual, before going to dual, we should remember some of the basic things. The dual of AND gate. Dual of AND gate is OR gate. Dual of NAND gate is NOR gate. Dual of XOR gate is XNOR gate. Dual of NOT gate is NOT gate. Dual of buffer is buffer. Now for dual expression, some steps to be followed. First step is AND operation will be converted to OR operation. Second step, dot operation converted to plus operation. Third step, 0 is converted to 1. Fourth step, keep the variable as it is, means the in original form. Now we take an example to calculate the dual expression. Let y equal to a b c plus a bar b c bar plus b a b bar and c. The dual form of this expression will be a as variable remain as it is, and or will be converted to dot will be converted to plus. So a plus b plus c, then dot a bar plus b plus c bar dot a plus b bar plus c. This is the dual expression of the y. Now we go for, if a truth table given like this, a b and this is the y, let's say AND gate. AND gate means 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. AND gate will be 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 then 1. This is the AND gate truth table. This is the AND gate truth table. Now we will represent the dual form. Dual form, what will be the dual form? As we know, in dual form a b c, a b y, the variable remain as it is, the all 0 will be converted to 1. So 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1, then 0 0 0. Now from the observation we can observe that this is a nothing but OR gate truth table. So the dual form of AND gate is OR gate. Now we will go for some of the important note. The note 1 is that the double dual of a expression gives the original expression. The double dual expression gives original expression. Note 2 is that if y equal to yd, if expression, logical expression and its dual both are same, then the function is called self dual. Note 3, if n number of variable in expression, then the number of self dual, then the maximum number of self dual, maximum number of self dual expression will be 2 to the power n minus 1. For n equal to 1, the number of self dual will be 2 to the power n minus 1, that is equal to 2 to the power 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Example, let a be the variable, its self dual, a dual form will be a will be a, and dual form of a bar will be a bar. This for single variable, these are the two dual form of expression. Now we will go for complement representation. How to represent the complement of a expression? Before going to complement representation, we should learn some of the steps how to represent the complement of expression. The first step is convert the end expression to OR form. Second, convert dot expression to plus expression. Third, convert 0 to 1. This is only for the output of the truth table. Means you should not convert 0 to 1. In case of a complement representation, either 0 to 0, if 0 present then 1, or if 1 present then 0. Similarly, if dot present, you have to convert to plus. If plus present, you have to convert into dot. If and present, then or. If or present, then and. But for 0 to 1 conversion, we will do this opposite 0 to 0. If 0 present, then 1, or if 1 present, then 0, for only to the output of the variable or output of the truth table. Not we should not touch to the input expression. Third things is complement. Fourth thing is complement all variable. Here the difference between dual expression and the complement expression is first, second step. In second step, in third step you found the difference, and in fourth step. These are the two, third step and fourth step we will find the difference. In third step, in case of dual, we do 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 for all the expression, for all the both input and to the output also. But in complement case, we do the 0 to 1 conversion or 1 to 0 conversion only for the output of the truth table or output expression of a function. And fourth one also, in the dual expression we doesn't change any variable, but here we complement each and every variable in case of complement representation. For example, we take example, let's say y equal to a b plus ac. This is the expression. The complement form of the expression will be a bar. We have to complement each and every variable, and dot will be plus sign, b bar, then the plus sign will be dotted form. So next a bar plus c bar. This is the complement representation of the expression. Now some of the important expression for the complement. The complement of and is NAND gate. Complement of OR gate is NOR gate. Complement of buffer is NOT gate. Complement of XOR gate will be XNOR gate. These are the some of the expression of the complement expression. Now we will take a dual expression example of dual expression. Let's say y equal to a b plus bc plus ac. Whether we have to test whether it is self dual or not. Self dual or not. We will verify solution. Given y equal to ab plus bc plus ac. ab, bc, ac. The dual form will be a plus b dot b plus c dot a plus c. These are the dual form. Now from this expression using Boolean theorem, we can express that b plus ac dot a plus c, that is equal to nothing but b multiplied with a, ba, that we can represent ab, b multiplied with c, we can represent bc, and ac will multiply with a, that will give also ac, ac multiply with bc, that will also give ac. So here we observe that both the dual form of this expression and the original expression both are same. both dual form and the original expression are same. So this expression is a